Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Aspire credit card online. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser of your choice. In the URL box, type in www.aspire.com and press enter on your keyboard. Once you end up in the official site, go to the right hand side of the screen and enter your username associated with your account. If you don't remember your username, click on the forgot password or the username link beneath the sign in button and follow the instructions till the end to look for your credentials. Similarly, on the next page, type in your password, or if you don't remember your password, click on the password link and follow the instructions to reset to a new password. If you're not enrolled for aspire.com yet, click on the sign up now link and follow the instructions till the end. After filling in all of your details, if you'd like the system to remember you on this device, check this remember me box. But for your security, if you're using a public or a shared device, make sure to leave this box unchecked before logging in. Finally, click the sign in button and you'll be able to log into your Aspire credit card online. After logging in, you can manage your account online, including paying your credit card bill, viewing card statements, and monitoring account activity. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.